Hi, this is Chad with the Bendix Tech team. I'm here to talk about the 3 different dryer cartridges that Bendix currently offers today. The first cartridge is your standard OE grade non-oil coalescing cartridge. If your vehicle is covered under warranty, the non-OE grade or the OE grade style cartridge is going to be the cartridge that you're going to want to run on your vehicle. If you're looking for something a little bit more cost competitive, and your vehicle's not covered under warranty anymore or is out of the warranty term, the GC style cartridge is going to be the cartridge of choice. GC style cartridge is going to have recycled material in it as well as new material inside the cartridge. Again, very cost competitive with the value brand cartridges out in the market. The third cartridge is the PG style cartridge. PG standing for having a oil coalescing filter built into it. PG standing for PureGuard. The PG cartridge will have the silver medallion on the top of it. If your vehicle is equipped with a PG style cartridge, it should remain equipped with a PG style cartridge whether it's covered under warranty or not. The PG, the oil coalescing, is there to help remove oil aerosols that are found in the air system and can contaminate the automated transmissions or solenoid packs or the gadgets of the vehicle that have small air passage. Folks, my name's Chad. I'm with the Bendix Tech team. Thank you and have a nice day.